to another video on our channel. I know I haven't been available for some time now. I've been working on some new strategies which I will share with you guys, because the old ones we had were not really that effective. As you can see currently, this is one of the strategies that I have been using so far. I was testing it out and now I want to make it public so that you guys can benefit from it as well. Not just about me using it, but it's all about helping you guys as well to use the strategy. So as you can see, these are some of my winnings. This is all test work. I've been testing it out. This, as you can see, this is the date of today. This is the one which just won today. Yeah, this is the game for today that just won, guys. So it's, as you can see here, this is the date for today, 29. Now this is a game I played yesterday, but it was playing today, so I played it overnight. So this was 1000 and I got 4000. So this is the game for today, and I'll be sharing this with you, but I won't share this with you in this video because I want to see how many people will be interested in it before I share it. As you can see here, the odds here are very high, guys. You can see here 1.35, 1.33, as you can see 1 point, as you can see the odds here are quite high. So, and they win. That's the best thing, they win. And as you can see my history as well, my history when I started testing them out. Yeah, I was using 850, and as I was growing I started increasing the money. So yeah, these are all the games. Yeah, these are all of the games. It's a basketball strategy, so it's basically for basketball, especially NBA, because currently now there has been an introduction in the NBA of another league, basketball league. It's not just the normal NBA that we know, but now there is in-season tournament. The in-season tournament is just like a World Cup. Just think of it that way, like a World Cup or like an African Nations Cup or like a Euro, where their teams are grouped in groups. They play those, there's quarterfinal, semi-final, and final. So think of it that way. So basically, as you can see, most of the games here are NBA, so they are both in season. The new competition that has been brought up in the NBA, and then the normal NBA that we all know. So this is the winnings, guys. The winnings are quite good and encouraging. So yeah, if you are interested, you let me know in the comment section and I will do a proper video for you guys. I don't want to do something where you guys will not be interested in it, but if you are interested, you let me know and I'll do a proper video. So yeah, that will give you everything you need, from the downsides, the things you should avoid, how you should avoid, what to consider, what to bet on, and stuffs like that, so that you don't fall victim, you don't lose money, or you don't put a lot of money in it and then you lost. Like I always say, remember to bet what you can lose, bet what you can afford to lose. Okay, bet what you can afford to lose. As you can see here, I played 5000 on this game and I got 19,000. So my profit here was around 14,000. I just played it and I slept. I didn't even check it because I know you will win based on my calculations and strategies that I use. That's why I say, if you're interested, I will show you the strategy, what to consider, what not to consider, what to check, what to use, and how to minimize your losses, because at the end of the day, we want to minimize our losses. It's not as if it's 100%, but we want as well to minimize our losses, guys. Yeah, there are days that I've lost, but my wins are more than my losses, so that's what is important. When I calculated it, I did it for a period of 15 days. For a period of 15 days, I tried this strategy and it's working good so far. So I'll be sharing this in the next video with you. But for those of you who are already in my VIP group, not the VIP group, but just who are in the basic group, the game, some of them I've been sharing them with you guys. Those who are already in the group, I've been sharing some of the games with you guys, like yeah, this is that for those in the VIP, which I shared with them. This is one of those in a general group that I shared and the game won. So yeah, 50,000 here, 117,000. So yeah, the games are winning, guys. It's winning. So if you are interested, let me know in the comment section. And also the VIP is still open for those of you who are interested, those of you who don't like taking risks, those of you who are low bettors. Like I have someone who stakes a lot and he prefers VIP because he takes a lot of his money in sure and he makes his little profit. Like this is one of the games I play in VIP of 200k and I got 268k, so 68k profit, which is fine and okay to me as long as it's coming constantly. So yeah, guys, so the VIP is still open. If you want to join us, you are free to join, and yeah, you will make money both ways. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section. If you want to see this video in detail teaching you how to carry out this strategy, and I'll do it for you guys. Ciao.